Are you looking to get the most out of JungleScout for niche research? In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to use JungleScout effectively so you can find profitable niches and build your e-commerce business with confidence. Stick around till the end because I'll share a special bonus to help you get started with JungleScout for free. To start, JungleScout is a powerful tool designed to help sellers on Amazon research profitable products, trends, and niches. Whether you're just starting your e-commerce journey or looking to scale, JungleScout can save you time by doing the heavy lifting when it comes to research. First, let's look at the Charm product database. This is where you can search through millions of products on Amazon. You can filter by category, price range, sales volume, and more, making it easy to identify niches with high demand but low competition. The key here is to think like a consumer. What products do you want to buy? Now, use JungleScout to see how well those products are selling and if there's room for you to enter the market. Next up, let's talk about Product Tracker. Once you've identified a product or niche you're interested in, you can track its performance over time. This gives you insight into how sales fluctuate and whether it's a sustainable product to sell. By tracking products in your niche, you can keep an eye on trends and adjust your strategy accordingly. Now, let's dive into the Keyword Scout feature. JungleScout's Keyword Scout is a game changer for discovering high traffic keywords related to your niche. Simply input your product, idea, or niche, and it will give you a list of relevant keywords along with search volume, competition, and potential for sales. This is essential for optimizing your listings and making sure your product shows up in search results. Keywords are key in getting noticed on Amazon, and JungleScout gives you the data you need to target the right terms. Another helpful tool is the Opportunity Finder. This tool helps you evaluate a market's profitability and competition. If you're unsure whether a niche is worth your time, this tool provides all the relevant data to make an informed decision. It gives you a score based on competition level, demand, and other factors, making it easy to compare different niches at a glance. When you're starting out, the Fopecho launch feature is crucial. It guides you through launching your product on Amazon with step-by-step strategies to ensure you're set up for success from day one. This includes everything from pricing strategies to how to optimize your listing and get those initial reviews. For a more in-depth approach to niche research, JungleScout also integrates with Amazon's FBA data, showing you a broader picture of potential sales performance. This gives you insight into what's happening across the entire marketplace, helping you spot trends before they become saturated. As a bonus, when you use JungleScout through the first link below, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial that lets you dive deeper into the software with no risk. This is an amazing way to test out all of the features we've covered without committing right away. So, to recap, JungleScout is an invaluable tool for niche research, and using it properly can make or break your success on Amazon. With its product database, product tracker, keyword scout, and opportunity finder, you'll be well equipped to find and analyze profitable niches. And remember, the best part is that you can start using JungleScout for free through the link below with our exclusive extended trial. Don't waste time sifting through endless data. Let JungleScout do the heavy lifting so you can focus on scaling your business.